True to the tradition, Giroflex products are developed with outstanding quality since 1872. Through the past century, we have maintained our values towards technicality, precision, and functionality, all of which have defined our standards of durability and service. We will continue to celebrate our roots, driven by top-quality Swiss engineering, by building on this tradition and legacy with the intention to adapt to our times. Our Flokk production site in Turek will strengthen our work in doing just that, as one of the most modern facilities in Europe. We would never compromise on quality, rather we have doubled down. With the experience of Flokk, we can be more sustainably conscious with our production methods while maintaining detailed workmanship. Products of the highest quality will remain our imperative. With our new system, we will be able to maintain the same rates of orders and supporting agile and dynamic approach to customer needs. Future delivery times will be met with no disturbances. We can reach more people with more efficiency, with the same amount of attention that we have come to be valued for.